How to build a 30-day survival food supply at home. In times of crisis, whether it's a natural disaster, power outage, or supply chain disruption, having a 30-day survival food supply at home is essential. It ensures your family stays nourished and safe without relying on outside help. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a simple guide to help you build your own emergency food supply efficiently and affordably. 1. Calculate your needs. Start by estimating the daily calorie needs for each person in your household. On average, plan for 2,000 to 2,500 calories per person per day. Multiply that by 30 to know how much food you'll need. 2. Stock long-lasting foods. Choose shelf-stable items with long expiration dates. Grains, white rice, oats, pasta, flour. Proteins, canned meats, tuna, chicken, beans, peanut butter, powdered eggs. Fruits and veggies, canned or freeze-dried options. Dairy, powdered milk, shelf-stable plant-based milks. Fats, olive oil, coconut oil, ghee. Extras, salt, sugar, honey, spices, coffee or tea. 3. Use proper storage methods. Keep food in a cool, dry, dark place. Use airtight containers, mylar bags, or food-grade buckets with oxygen absorbers. Rotate your stock regularly, first in, first out. 4. Don't forget water. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day, that's 30 gallons each for a month. Include water purification tablets or a filtration system as backup. 5. Include cooking essentials. Have tools on hand that don't rely on electricity, manual can opener, portable gas stove or grill, extra fuel, pots and utensils. Learning how to build a 30-day survival food supply at home isn't about fear, it's about being prepared. With a little planning, you can create a reliable food reserve that supports your family when it matters most. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.